to the night show.
Yes.
Today, discuss I don't
with the panel of judges.
We're the panel of judges, and we have our able lawyer, Mr. Adetola Kasim.
Thank you very much. You say, what?
You don't clap. Who said me clap now?
I don't know.
Who said me clap now?
Thank you very much.
Is it your clap?
Thank you very much.
Is it your clap? Anyway.
I am Dio. Say, verily, I say unto you, Neru, you will not make heaven. I will make sure you comment nowhere near heaven.
Let me tell you, I am Dio. Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard. What thou hast, we go through. Very, I said this unto thee. Watch out, quickest comment. You know, say against a busy way back. Verily, I say unto thee, destruction lieth at your door.
Yes.
You can't go door, go look. Anyway, our guest, in fact, I'm going to discuss Mondays like this. We're going to bring things when we say concern law matter to now. So that when I go know now right, where they face me and slap you where you did, your own house where you did.
Your right to toilet.
Your right to toilet. Your right to girlfriend. Your right to your corridor. Because not true. That time for my house for Kakuri, because I Kakuri for P5 go to street. You know, say I grew up for face me and slap you.
P5.
One woman, Mama Ogu. That woman, she dey quarrel. She dey quarrel, now she dey drink beer. That woman, her husband go down. Lawyer. Her husband go down, now she dey beat her husband. The husband go down, go walk. Her husband come back around.
She big? And
She
the
big,
husband small?
She husband does thing.
Okay.
And the husband quiet.
Oh, yo.
Her name is so.
Yo.
The man quiet. He go greet him. Hey, Bell, let me name. Hey, Bell. The bless the wife come be the king.
Hey. Yeah, because Abel quiet.
The man don't die now. Then two self don't die. May God rest their soul. Good man go come back and
They go know they are right for heaven.
They go know they are right for heaven. Now the man go get out now.
Yes.
Now for earth the man not get out. But for heaven, verily.
Yes.
They say unto him now, he has that power.
Yes.
The woman go see the woman sit down, carry your booty, sit down from front of door. That time I go come outside, man go peace. They call him sleep for parlor. We go man go peace for bathroom. You could see the woman just carry beer, sit down for a booty. They drink beer. You can't carry fan
for bottle.
For bottle.
He glug.
Drop him. Akufe. Can say fan? Go see the man. They come back. Come begin to holler the man. Hey.
You come back now.
You can't speak Igala. Hey, you can't speak. Okay, sorry, yo.
No, we just say
no verse. Over to our able lawyer, Mr. Adetola. You get one name why they miss for your name?
Ahmed.
Mr. Ahmed Adetola Kasim, make in Chukmouth, start the ministry
until right of a tenant. If you are a tenant, carry your pen and paper. The very time, verily, the time is nigh where you will lift up your biro and your pen.
For the time cometh nigh.
Yes.
Behold, the time is now.
Auspiciously. So you write the thing you need to know about the right of tenants.
Thank you very much. First and foremost, now before they use all this language on the talk. Things don't change. You don't step up. No more archaism, as they call them. But as a day, we still get as a day. Bring everything together. We're not going to understand. As we know, they see doctor prescription.
My brother,
that
doctor prescription. What did they know me pass? Then go give me one paper. Oh, just write them. You draw one long line. Come for the end. Come do W. Then you go to look at what is it? Say take it to the chemist. And it be like say them and chemists then get collabo.
Maybe they go to school together.
Because chemists go look am. Oh, ampicillin.
14/7.
14/7. They go write XX or FX, divide the X. Oh God. Over to you, lawyer.
First and foremost, where we go start our discussion before we get to the rights. Now be say, now which mistake tenants they do? You know, say as it be.
Why not mistake where landlord they do?
No, we go still go to landlord.
Okay.
For this week, tenants' rights.
Okay.
Landlord also getting right because all of us want to become landlord. We
Of
cannot be say with the gang up against
landlord before they swear for us.
Yes, say this program no go.
Say one day we say for
You understand? So landlord they watch us now.
So the first mistake be say people know they do agreement. Some tenants, if they rush, say they won't get out, now as to pay, we just pay. Bim. I don't dey court before we say one caretaker collect rent from about 107 people for just 2 flats.
Jesus.
Now what it cost am?
107.
107 people.
Collect money, no receipt. Collect money, no agreement. So the first thing where person supposed do, no matter the haste, because if you no careful, you no get patience for just some days, some weeks, you go cry for years. So the first thing now,
So
execute an agreement. Sometimes landlord will say, don't worry, I'll give you the agreement. If landlord is slow, get lawyer.
Say, don't worry, landlord. I go bring my lawyer. Don't worry.
The lawyer should draft the agreement. Let the landlord append the signature.
Person why not get money to pay lawyer one?
So wait. So you must write the agreement before you hand over that money to the landlord.
That is the best. So that from the outset you are clear about your rights.
So the landlord must sign that agreement.
Yes, sign them.
If landlord refuses to sign them,
Now be say the landlord get another thing for mine.
Now be say another thing they the landlord mind. Because that's not the first thing. Second thing now, to draft agreement now one thing. Say landlord say come, oh you write your name there, sign them. Now another thing. You read the agreement where you want sign. Because as we did now, the law where Lagos State passed for 2011, where they call tenancy law of Lagos State. What in the law provide be say if you agree, if you and landlord agree, anything where you agree supersede waiting the law. The law gets your own provision. You get the right of tenant, you get the right, you get who to pay. But if landlord talk say all the rates for the house, land use charge, everything, now you go to pay them. That's how you go be. Normally under the law, if they won't send you come out, you go get notice to quit, you go get landlord's notice to get possession of the house and the likes. But if landlord talk say, for this our own agreement, no need for notice to quit. That's how it go be. If you talk say, so anything where the landlord, anything where the agreement say, now you go buy the party.
Now you go happen because you sign them.
So the best be say, make you pay lawyer. Now the reason why lawyers spend years for school. And because if you don't pay lawyer, even if you don't get money, pay lawyer, if you get friend, maybe I bet just help me look at this agreement. So that you go understand. I don't check when this law just came in newly. The agreement where person give me say make I review. I just say that no need for notice. Say if you default, the next day the park come out. So which kind something with that? So you need the lawyer to tell you that okay, no, because under the law,
3 months.
3 months for quarterly tenant. Now person where they pay quarterly. Or person where they pay half yearly. But for full tenant, for person
where they pay 1 year.
Yearly tenant, now 6 months notice.
6 months.
So I feel do point now. I go say I not pay. Because I know say I will feed there for 6 months.
But if you did for 6 months, you no pay. The landlord fee still get the arrears from you. Because some things when you go claim for, you don't go just claim say maybe you come out in your house alone. You go claim for what they call main profit. You understand? So now the profit say waiting be those things where they accrue to the landlord. And if you don't pay, and they go carry your property go sell now. They go and defray. So you know if you talk say because I don't hear say many people they always brag. So at least at all you go give me 6 months. And the landlord will not know what to do now. If you know what to do, he go get everything from you. So the other thing now also to seek clarification. And that also has to do with the agreement.
With the agreement,
so
you must understand and where.
This kind of tenancy where we did. Now, waiting be the she na yearly tenant, she na monthly tenant, she na weekly tenant. Is the tenancy renewable? Because tenancy where they renewable gets another different regime from tenancy when they renewable.
Which have been renewable tenancy?
Tenancy where they renewable now we say after this 1 year elapse.
You go pay another 1 year.
Pay another one, so we go continue like that.
But this matter of say, maybe you enter one house now. That house, for example, instant example now, 100,000. Then when this tenancy finish, then the next year they say before you pay, they don't add 100, they don't add 50,000 on top.
The law, the tenancy law of Lagos State, prohibit unreasonable increment in fees. In tenancy.
So all those people they increase money.
If mark the word unreasonable. So if you say, okay, this for all this area, now only me they pay this kind of money. No house for this area get this kind rent. If you go court.
Okay, now when we talk agreement, Sandra asked on top Twitter, say, how can you know when agreement they real to avoid fraud?
I don't understand what she means by being real.
If the man
if it's original,
if it's valid,
yeah, exactly.
Or if he go pay you, now the thing be that. You understand? Because you can't determine what landlord they don't collect 10 people money where you don't know. You can't determine what he has done.
Yes.
Now until you enter the house, the leader before your mind go settle. That one are normal stuff. You understand? But if you want to determine how the agreement, then you go get lawyer now. Because the lawyer go see all those hidden things.
So the long and short be say you better make yourself get your own
Get your
lawyer.
own lawyer.
That's the best. That is the best. So that
No
you go-
matter how-
so that-
no matter
so
how
that you
small
go-
the money
so
dey.
No matter how small, you go get people now. You go and say, I beg, please, now just small. People they reasonable. Lawyers also they. You get lawyers where they reasonable. You get some where they do reasonable because you can't blame them because they too go pay. They go
Of
parents.
course, of course, they
na
go
normal
parents.
thing. So now that is just some of the little safeguard you're supposed to do before you enter agreement. So now, what will be the rights of tenants?
Ngwana.
The first one, where we dey always say, don't talk on here today.
Okay.
Now we say the right of tenants, at least in Lagos. This one's not the other states, so.
Okay.
Now different regime for different states.
Different states,
because you get different laws where they control the tenancy and the landlord relationship for different states. The first, this thing now, your right not to pay more than a year rent. If na yearly tenant say you don't dey pay before, you don't dey pay. Landlord no fit just talk say, ọmọ mi wá, mo fẹ́ ṣe tòkú. You know say dey happen.
Exactly.
I want to bury
I want to burial. Give me your next year rent.
Next year rent. Next year rent is not legal. You understand? A landlord under the law cannot get more than 1 year rent from you.
Okay.
If you be half yearly tenant, you know if you collect more than 6 months rent. If you be new tenant under the law, the landlord should not collect more than a year.
But
tenancy.
what about when person just want enter the house new?
I don't talk now. Because the law talks say, now another thing, maybe this law can work. That one another thing. When they talk now, the law as it is. Because for law, we go talk say law as it is and law as it ought to.
But lawyer, this thing
So-
wey they talk now, now when because
Now criminal offense, so.
yeah?
The law talks say anybody, any landlord, we can collect more than a year rent. Or any tenant we pay more than a year rent
You go get problem.
is liable to pay 100,000 if found guilty.
Yeah.
Or 3 months imprisonment.
Yeah. But wait, lawyer, make I ask you something. Now you dey here now they talk say, my brother, when house not dey, when you not see house, you don't look for
finally
house.
see.
You can't finally see. My brother, they tell say 2 years now, I will rush and pay it.
It be like saying idea people they make mistake
Nah,
because
exactly.
they don't remember to sign that
They
agreement.
don't remember to say, when you don't look for house, look for house, look for house, you can't finally see the house.
Yes.
The landlord contact is okay. Maybe your budget before like 500K. You can't reach somewhere, can't see house, find where.
Maybe
And like
250.
250. Your cost is 500K. Pay 2 years. But because we were talking this now because of say okay, maybe houses there. But when in the case of this housing deficit we will get, when we say house not today, it's not that easy to come by.
Now, the reason why I talk, say, the law talk one thing. You understand? But is it practicable in reality? Now,
Exactly, bam.
But you know, say, when they talk one thing, say, ignorant of the law, no be excuse. You understand? So we go put that one for them. So I know if you talk, say, now law, this law, now law, where we go they break. My own mouth, no size. I mean, they no can arrest me.
My
You
brother,
understand? But the law, now
I
the law.
will tell them, say I don't know you.
The second right, now, you get right to a receipt. Say, your parents. The law talk say you get right to a receipt. After payment. Now by force. Make landlord write the receipt.
No, they fool
The receipt,
yourself,
no go, you no go just dey blank.
Yeah.
Your name go dey there. Landlord name go dey there.
Okay.
Address go dey there.
Okay.
The rent where you dey pay for. Because if they just talk say you pay 100,000 for which apartment?
Well, exactly.
Landlord fit just come tomorrow and say, I be caretaker will come say, which apartment you did? No, it's the Ajegunle one now. No be Lekki. You know say fit happen.
Yes,
course.
nah.
Because na receipt. So it must state all these things. And also, anybody landlord wey no can issue receipts is also liable if found guilty to pay 100,000. So you are entitled to a receipt under the law. Now the second right we want examine this night be that.
Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Make una begin the call us so they can for ask our ogbonge lawyer question when we say concern tenancy law for inside wherever you dey stay. Whether na Nigeria here, well, na Nigeria because na Nigeria we talk about now. Those of una wey dey obodo
Yeah.
please discuss your tenancy
Stay
issue.
clear.
Stay clear. This is Nigeria we're talking about. If you dey Lagos, if you dey anywhere where you dey for Nigeria here, call us make we know things when we say concern your tenancy matter. Our phone numbers are on top of TV now. Make you begin to ask us.
MC Bishop say, what if the landlord na lawyer?
What if
No, landlord na lawyer, not in no be law breaker.
He no be law
He no
breaker.
get rights. You know how many lawyers they don't, you understand, we don't do what they're not supposed to, where they prison.
Not true.
So,
Lawyers
but
plenty
if
for prison,
landlord be
no?
lawyer, say, don't worry, now me go draft that agreement.
if he drafts his own agreement, you get your lawyer to review.
To review, to check out whether, because you get some kind agreement to be say some
They
kind
just
things you
hide, they just hide down for corner. You know, go see them.
No,
They go just hide down.
They go hide them for that English, very English.
Now why people with that agreement they wicked like that? If you go to country, you go see all those agreements. Agreement it be like quarrel with women. Whether you agree or you not agree, whether you support, you read them or you not read them, hey, you win, now you win.
Yeah.
Because you not go read them, you no problem, now you win. You get some countries where they go write small, where you know so you not go feel see.
You no go fit see.
Now inside that thing, then go hide everything
Meanwhile,
with
you
the
go,
inside
they open them, they read, but you no go see them.
You know, meanwhile, you don't open them.
You know, because
see 'em.
where they go hide down, you no go see them.
So therefore, now be say anybody where they be say, even the lawyer self give you the agreement, may you bring person where go read down where. Continue, lawyer.
Yes.
Another lawyer, when
The other
you
right,
back.
the other right now, right to privacy. You get right to privacy, as in if you rent your apartment.
My brother.
Landlord no go knock say, "Ah, mommy, Joe, mo fẹ́ wo Premiership."
I
understand?
guess
So
I'm
that
not go clear that. All these lawyers, because I get one friend when they say, lawyer, landlord, they always disturb them, say, how many guys did they bring come house? Lawyer feel disturb you for that one. Some kind guys like easy bit now. Anyway, Fusha from Lagos, Moku hear your question. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Bros, today why I know?
Oh yeah, ask your question. We'll get our lawyer for inside studio.
I get like 2 to 3 questions to ask.
We will start by
only
from the
you.
number one.
Okay. I get friend way park go house. The landlord thought said no, they no use generator.
Okay.
And now, no be before he pay all the rent, everything.
No, after you don't pay the rent.
After he pay, then the contract say no generator to use.
Okay.
He get right to say no rent the house again. Make the pay his money back.
That one go difficult. That one go difficult because even what if he demands and he's not giving? He go use self-help. So
Fusha,
Yeah.
sorry, lawyer, to cut you. Ask your remaining questions so that lawyer will just add all of them together and answer you.
Okay. The second question be say, person will come up for house, like subtenant. If person like say, okay, now I get friend will be party.
Okay, you want back come out because make the friend can't enter.
Make you can't enter. Make they pay the rent go.
Okay.
No be offense.
Okay, ask your last one.
Yeah. The third one be say, bro, man, just add that too. I don't forget the third one.
Oh yeah, now no one will answer this. If you drop your call, now we'll make lawyer answer the remaining two.
Subtenant now something where they illegal. If the landlord doesn't know, because that is one of the rights of the landlord. You know, if you just sublet in apartment, say you get friend now, you can't do party, you go just do say you want travel. You know, say they are.
Where? No, some go do it. They go say, just come
Just
stay small.
yeah, say na my
Just come
brother.
stay first. Na my brother. Then small small you carry bag come out today. You carry fridge come out tomorrow. Okay, come on, finish.
For night.
For night you go move everything.
One fridge go come out, another one go enter. So that one, you know the legal. What be the first thing when you yourself? Say, which is
Privacy.
Generator.
No, I don't think that is not right. That is not right. But at least you cannot do self-help. So you get, is either you go to the court, you get your lawyer, probably write the landlord. So they can discuss it.
Wait, is the landlord a child of darkness?
Because our law forbids self-help. Okay. The landlord, what did happen now? I feel fight. I be national champion.
Okay, no, be self-help.
Self-help. Now say you won't come there, you know if you do giri. That is why the law is there, so that peace will be maintained.
Okay.
And you get what they call citizen mediation center, where if you go, we be say the local government.
People, that thing they do talk. People know they believe say these things.
Mommy Clinton, good evening.
They work. Good
evening, Beto. Are you with me?
I am with you, mommy. Ask lawyer question.
Ma?
Good evening.
Evening here.
Evening.
Hello. Good evening.
I don't answer for everybody.
Good evening.
All of us, good evening.
Yes.
Yes, I'm very, very happy for this lawyer who come for television today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And the way they pay me now, my husband knows that around.
Hey!
Lawyer, see, and my husband, you don't say when my husband, they wait, make lawyer come television since. Now you know that, but as I there, I go talk with him.
You go represent.
So lawyer, we get tenants for our house.
Okay, now be landlord.
We then they quarrel. We with them no quarrel. Because that law where Fashola gives that time. They make landlord they collect one year. So my husband collect 1 year. 2013. Their money expired 2014. school. So the two tenants, the two flats, they come lock the door. But we get lawyer, we use lawyer. Then pay through lawyer. So the money can expire. Then lock the door, go. We no quarrel. See now, the two flats they lock. So when the other one tell my husband, he said, "This one tell me and 2 years." My husband say lie. They follow Lagos law. Governor to Fashola law. He no fit collect 2 years. So if I blame my husband, say he for collect that 2 years. That time my husband say no. He no go collect. He no go do against the law. So now lawyer. As we get the lawyer now, our lawyer wants to work out for the school. Now the man can't die. He died in November last year. So the people waiting for the chamber now. They say my husband, another lawyer say my husband, and my husband not that the final issue. Now the lawyer died to come carry their load. The thing where they say my husband don't go to my office after they don't bury and start December. He died in November, they bury in December. So this January my husband can't go there. They say my husband will add another month. The lawyer will want
take over
continue,
the
we want continue. Say my husband won't take over.
Yes.
So I don't know. We will then not quarrel. They just lock door. We don't quarrel anything.
They not get right to lock your door. So as you don't get right, I not see your lawyer know waiting to do. Yes, I will bring.
But lawyer say they add another money.
No, you're not saying another lawyer now.
The same company now, the same firm.
You know, say some firm they will say. Now see individual.
Now, you pay another lawyer. Now, my own business. I mean, they talk. That one, when they talk, another person.
If na firm where they very organized, they will say everything will continue.
Another thing.
So, but now firm will say if you just the 5 people inside one office, but different of them get different.
And if you say then gather money, take pay the office space.
So pay the office space. So one can't really talk much about that.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.